About putting in a full day's work. He's been covering the developments. He's been there this morning. He's there with us right now, joining us live at the State House. And Zach, the big question, where does the bill stand right now?
Yeah, hey guys, a late night here at the State House. It's getting close to the end. As you guys just highlighted there, the Iowa House has officially passed Governor Reynolds' fetal heartbeat bill right along party lines. Now that was about 45 minutes ago or so, close to an hour ago. Now the bill is in the Senate where floor debate is currently underway. We're going to show you video here of the action so far. You still got some protesters that are here after the House had adjourned and signed and died again for the second time of a session. They went over and sat in the gallery up there. So we're going to go ahead and play some sound for you here too to give you some context about this Republican shot. This is Senator Cournoyer talking about a child that she was pregnant with in her early 20s. She decided to keep the child. It's now a 25-year-old man. It's her son. So there's the context for that clip, and we're going to play it now.
The war on women has been raging for years. It's become increasingly apparent that the state of Iowa under Republican leadership is making life for women much more difficult through the policy choices they are making.
I took responsibility for my actions. His father took responsibility for his actions. It wasn't easy, it wasn't comfortable, but it was what we did at the time. It changed my life dramatically. It was not what I planned for my life. It was not how I wanted to start my family, but it's what happened after I participated in an activity that I knew could result in a pregnancy, even with precautions.
And just wrapping back up to Senator Celsey's point there at the beginning of that soundbite too, talking about the war on women and just talking about legislation passed this previous session up to now in the special session. So there is an 11 p.m. deadline for debate in the Senate. We've got less than an hour left of open floor debate. If the Democrats take it to that deadline, I'd expect they would take it all the way there, and it's going to pass the Senate. If it was not going to pass anywhere, it would have been the House, where maybe more conservative Republicans don't like that there's exceptions in the bill, so they vote against the bill in spite of it. But that didn't happen, so it looks very likely that it's going to be passing the Senate, and we'll see whenever Governor Reynolds is going to be signing that bill. Back to the studio.
All right. Yep. Just a matter of formalities now. Zach Fisher reporting all day for us at the State House. Thank you.